The factory. Yippee! This is Alexander. He likes to run a lot, especially in the forest. Every day he goes into the forest to avoid social interaction because he doesn't think he needs it. He also skips school in the forest because he doesn't want to talk to people. Until one day, he found a factory, and then a tree fell over the door. So he was trapped in the factory. So he goes deeper in to try to figure out a way. There's someone chasing him. Let me in, he says. No! He fell through the door. Where am I? He said. Then he found a room with AI in it. So, no, I don't need that. So he tries to find another way out. Let me out! He's chasing me again!
Insert loud breath noises here.
Wait, I need the AI, I think. I don't know. So he goes back to the room, finally knowing what to do. And so he finds the AI to use it.
How do I get out?
You get out.
I can finally get out now. So he leaves the factory. Thank you for helping me to get out. The moral of the story is sometimes you need people or AI to do things. Extra scene.
Thank you for participating in the Science Aperture test. Would you like some cake? Please step into the cake reception zone.
Yay, I'm free.